In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track payments using Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your payment tracking process, stay with me as we walk through these essential steps. Let's start by setting up a payments or finance board. On your Monday.com dashboard, locate the plus add button and select New Board. From here, you have the option to start from scratch or choose a ready-made finance invoices template. Once you've made your selection, give your board a meaningful name like Payment Tracker or Client Payments. This board will be your central hub for monitoring payment statuses, amounts, and due dates, ensuring you have everything in one organized location. Next, it's time to add essential columns to structure your data efficiently. Here are the columns you should incorporate. 1. A. Name column for client names or invoice IDs, helping you easily identify each entry. 2. A. Date column for the invoice or payment due dates, so you never lose track of upcoming deadlines. 3. A. Numbers column, representing payment amounts to keep financial specifics clear. 4. A. Status column, which is crucial for tracking whether a payment is paid, pending, or overdue. 5. A. Drop-down column, for capturing the payment method such as PayPal, bank transfer, or credit card, providing clarity on how payments are made. 6. A. Formula column, to automatically calculate the remaining balance or how overdue a payment is. 7. A. Text or link column, for including an invoice link or payment reference, ensuring easy access to supplemental documents. 8. Lastly, A. People column, to assign a team member responsible for managing the client, facilitating accountability. Now let's customize your status column by adding payment status labels. You can add labels such as paid, pending, overdue, and canceled. Feel free to color code these statuses for an enhanced visual representation. This customization can provide you with immediate insights at a glance. Incorporating a formula column next will allow you to automatically calculate the remaining balance. Use the formula that subtracts the amount paid from the total amount. This calculation gives you a precise oversight of how much is still due for each client or invoice. Moving on to automations, let's ensure that you never miss a beat with payment reminders. Head over to the Automation Center and click on Add Automation. Consider these useful automation recipes. Remind the account manager of due payments upon the due date. When the status remains pending, automatically mark payments as overdue when their due date passes without status change, and notify the finance team whenever a payment status changes to paid. These automations will help streamline your workflow and ensure no payment deadline slips through the cracks. Finally,